Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Buzz Plus Pro Mosquito Zapper Lamp Review and Guide. So you might be wondering, what is the Buzz Blast Pro here that you may be hearing online? So Buzz Plus Pro is a portable mosquito zapper lamp designed to help attract and eliminate mosquitoes and other flying insects without using chemical sprays or repellents. Now, according to the official website or the website here, it uses 365 nm UV light to attract insects and a high voltage electric grid to kill them. The device is rechargeable, solar powered, waterproof, and intended for both indoor and outdoor use, covering areas up to like 350 square feet. Now, according to the manufacturer here, Buzz Blast Pro works by emitting UV light that attracts flying insects. And once they fly into the device, they come into contact with the protected electric grid here, and they are instantly zapped. Now, the dead insects then fall into the removal collection tray for easy cleaning. Now, to use Buzz Blast Pro here, you just need to fully charge it using the included USB cable and allow it to recharge through its built-in solar panel. Place the device in an area you want to protect, switch it on, and let it run. Then, when the collection tray fills with insects, remove it, empty the contents, and reinstall it before using the device again. Now, the official website lists the device with promotional discounts of up to 70% off, including free shipping, and offers a 90-day money-back guarantee. Pricing and promotions may change over time, so you may need to visit their official website. Now, currently, if you're going to check the actual device here, if you try visiting their website, it's currently priced at around $39.99 for one Buzz Blast Pro here, but they do offer discounts if you're going to buy multiple devices here. So that's essentially how the Buzz Blast Pro works. Now, if you're planning on buying or you're curious about this device here, well, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the official website is always recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision. And this applies for anything you're buying online. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.